Hello everyone. Today the concept we are going to look is simple interest and compound interest. In this video we will discuss only about simple interest. The name itself says simple, that is it is very easy to calculate. For example, a person A gives 10,000 to B at 10% rate of interest per annum for 2 years. We have to calculate the simple interest for 2 years. For first year, simple interest is 10,000 into 10%, which is 1000. Simple interest is same in every year, that means second year 1000. Total simple interest is 2000. For calculating simple interest, we have a formula, that is simple interest is PTR divided by 100, where P is principal. The principal here is 10,000. R is rate of interest per annum. Here rate of interest is 10%. T is time in years. Here T is 2 years. This is simple interest. For calculating the amount at the end of 2 years, we have to add principal plus simple interest 2000, that is 12,000. So for calculating amount, first we add principal plus simple interest, that is principal plus simple interest PTR divided by 100. We take P as common, 1 plus TR by 100. This is the formula for calculating the amount in case of simple interest. Here T is always should be in years and rate of interest is always in per annum. For suppose when in the question T is given as 2 years 3 months, we first convert T in years, that is 2 years. We know that 1 year consists of 12 months, so this can be written as 3 by 12, which is 2 1 by 4, 4 into 2 8, 9 by 4. When time is given in months, first we should convert it in years, that is here 9 by 4 years. Suppose when time T is given in days, that is suppose 6 years 73 days. We know that 1 year consists of 365 days. In case of leap year, there is 366 days. 6 years, this can be written as 73 divided by 65. 73 into 1, 73 into 5, 6 1 by 5. 5 into 6, 30 plus 1, 31 divided by 5 years. So when time is given in days or months, first we should convert time in years and then solve the problem. Let's solve one example. Suppose A given to B an amount of 20,000 for 2 years 6 months at 5% rate of interest per annum. We have to calculate amount at the end of 2 years 6 months. Amount is equal to principal 20,000 plus 20,000 into rate of interest 5. 2 years 6 months can be written as 2 1 by 2, which is 5 by 2 years. 5 by 2 into 1 by 100. 100 into 5, 500, 500 into 5, 2500, 22,500. That is amount at the end of 2 years is 22,500. Now when rate of interest is different for different years, for suppose A given an amount of 15,000 to B for 5 years. Here A says to B that for first 2 years the rate of interest is 5%. For next 2 years, rate of interest is 10%. For the last year, the rate of interest is 15%. We have to calculate amount at the end of 5 years. We first we calculate simple interest. 15,000 into 15,000 divided by 100 into 2 into 5 plus 2 into 10 plus 15 into 1. For this, we have a formula when rate of interest is different for different years. For suppose, for T1 years, rate of interest is R1%. For T2 years, rate of interest is R2%. For T3, rate of interest is R3%. The formula for calculating simple interest is P by 100 into R1 T1 plus R2 T2 plus R3 T3. See, that's what we have done here. 15,000. This is principal. Principal divided by 100 into R1 2 into 5, R2 2 into 10, 1 into 15. This can be written as 150 into 10 plus 20 plus 15, which is 150 into 45. That is 45 into 5, 225. 45 into 1, 45 plus 22, 67. Simple interest at the end of 5 years is 6,750. We have to calculate amount, that is 15,000 plus 6,750, which is 21,750. This is amount at the end of 5 years. When rate of interest is different for different years, we can use this formula. Now we will see how to calculate change in simple interest. Change in simple interest. For suppose A given an amount of 10,000 to B at 15% per annum for 3 years. Also A give an amount of 10,000 to C at 10% per annum for 3 years. We have to calculate the change in simple interest. We first calculate the simple interest here, that is 10,000 into 15 into 3 divided by 100 minus 10,000 into 10 into 3 divided by 100. 10,000 into 3 divided by 100 is common, into 15 minus 10. That means we can derive a formula, that is principal into T by 100 into R1 minus R2. When principal and time given is constant, for calculating change in simple interest, the formula is principal into time divided by 100 into R1 minus R2. Here 10,000 into 3, 300 into 15 minus 10, 5, 1500. That is change in simple interest is 1500. When principal and time is constant, for calculating change in simple interest, we use this formula. That's all about this video. In the next video, we will discuss more about simple interest.